The market segmentation is one of the most useful tool to marketing management. Heterogeneous means actually something unique, but homogeneous means which is similar. So we need to study when we are offering a product for unique, only you can expect the unique customers only they are purchasing. The product is completely the consumer expectation based only when we are trying to producing. So we will get more and more clarity, more and more idea, opinions, okay? So information we can collect for developing a new product. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. I am Natesh, lecturer in commerce, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the Unit 2, Session 3, first semester BCom Principles of Marketing. The chapter name is Consumer Behavior and Market Segmentation. And today my agenda is you will get to know what is market segmentation, why it is very important for any businessman or company while they are offering a product or service. Okay. So, and there is one standard definition for market segmentation and the importance of market segmentation. Why as a marketers they want to study while they are selecting any segmentation, which is nothing but area wise the total population we are dividing, and the basis of segmentation, how we are selecting, what criteria, it's very important, what is the base for selecting in a segmentation is very important. Moving forward you will get more clarity. And here, before understanding the segmentation market, there are dealing a number of product and service which is offered to fulfill the consumer requirement. Okay, so here the total population, either we are talking related to local or nation or region or international market. So the total population, when you are talking related to country like India, no, not only for India, other country also, while they are offering a plenty of product based on the different area wise, different segment here means what? The total population we are dividing into number of parts. Okay, so which is a represented unit we call it as. So which is similar based on the when you are selecting where your customers, which product is where you are offering, okay, whom they are showing interest to purchase your product. The segmentation means what? The total area, the total population we are dividing into small represented unit, so we call it as a segmentation. So here the market segmentation is one of the most useful tool to marketing management, because we are offering a product or service to the consumer where exactly the consumers are showing interest to purchase your product, okay, or getting a service. So of course the area wise when you are selecting, okay, so the represented unit we call it as a segmentation. So because at the time of launching a product we cannot target each and every location, each and every place. So where exactly, if you're taking example for cultural factors will influencing, demographical factors will influencing, okay, the area you need to select unless you're not study based on the area, okay, where you are launching for the product. So that is segmentation, the total area which is small part we are doing as per our convenience, means business convenience. Okay, company they try to select launching a product for either they are selecting a metro city or any city, or the product is offered to rural, for example the farmer related product or agro based product or fertilizer, seeds, which is only for offering a product for only farmers, right? So we need to target focus, we need to target where is your customers or consumers are located. In case of farmer related product, the farmer is located in the rural area, so area what we are studying, so which is coming under segmentation. So which is very important for. So in you need to remember there is one concept we studied in the core marketing system, which is S stand for segmentation, target and position. Okay, so once you segmented according to your convenience where exactly you are expecting a demand, now the process which lead to breaking down, because we breaking down, right? So there are number of breaks we are finding here, breaking down the whole market into different segments. So, for example, international market will cover completely globe. Okay, if you are trying to select only for nation, right? National marketing. Okay, again regional marketing. Okay, or city or district or state wise. Okay, the particular product you are offering, the product whom they are purchasing the product. So all marketing into different segments. Segment means dividing a small part or into subgroup is known as market segmentation, because there are different types of market we are finding. So either based on the geographical area, either based on the time period, either based on the volume of based on the regulated, based on the economic, there are different types of market. So which product when we are offering, which market is the right market, you need to choose where the consumers are purchasing a product. So each segment of market has a different taste, preference and choice. If you take example, North Indians, they are liking North Indian food, South Indians liking the South Indian food, because when we are offering a product which is related to North India, Indian basin, now market is already selected North Indian market. Okay, the similar product when we are offering for South Indian base, so we need to target only for South Indian. Okay, so like this we have to select a best market, so that we can expect according to their taste, even the preference and choice will keep on vary person to person. Okay, city to city or state to state. Now moving, there is one standard definition of marketing segmentation. I hope it is very clear to understand. The segmentation means the total population, the total market we are dividing into a number subgroup or small part. According to American Marketing Association, which is a formal definition, you must remember. So market segmentation refers to dividing the heterogeneous market. Heterogeneous, which is not studying for similar. Okay, the heterogeneous means which is studying for the mass concept. So heterogeneous market into smaller customer group having a certain homogeneous characteristic. Okay, that means what? The heterogeneous, something unique, the total very big city or any country, we are dividing into smaller or homogeneous requirement. Heterogeneous means actually something unique, but homogeneous means which is similar. So we need to study when we are offering a product for unique, only you can expect the unique customers only they are purchasing. But when you are producing a product or offering a service for the similar, okay, so all the customers are showing interest to purchase, because which is a similar characteristic having. That can be satisfied by the firm. So when they are producing unique product, you need to select unique customers, those who are showing interest for the unique product what you produce. But you are producing a product while you are offering a product or service, when the consumer or customers are giving a similar, they are expecting a similar requirement. So obviously we need to select a homogeneous. Moving for why importance of market segmentation is very important for any marketers to understand why they want to study the market segmentation. What is important while you are selecting a segmentation? The first one, enhanced marketing effectiveness. Whenever you are selecting any market, you need to get efficient, you need to get effective marketing strategy can be implemented. Efficient you can expect more and more customer which place, which market you selected, so that there is a sales movement. Obviously the enhanced marketing effectiveness, you can reach, there is an accessibility, the customer can show interest to purchase your product. So specific group of customer who share similar characteristic needs and preference. So based on the consumer's requirement, based on the consumer needs and wants, when we start producing, the specific location or area what you selected, which market you selected, easily you can extend your market. Okay. So next one, improve customer understanding, because to studying entire country it's very difficult. So respected state, city or metropolitan city, easily you can reach, your resource can be properly utilized when you are selecting a segmentation. So here obviously by dividing the market into segment, because in case of small segment what you are selecting, easily you can focus the complete resource what and all is involved for extending or expecting a sales or profit maximization. So obviously our resource can be properly utilized because we selected for only represented unit. Okay, and business gain deeper understanding of their customer, because the same time we cannot focus for complete nation. So where exactly the customers, you can understand where the consumers are located, where they are showing interest to purchase your product. So it is very easy when you are selecting a segment. Optimize resource of allocation, because under company there are different resources are involved. We are mainly focusing on the marketing plan, budget, advertising. Okay, so if you selected the complete nation, okay, so it is very difficult because you need to study where you can expect a demand for the product. So obviously the resource allocations can be properly used. Segmentation allow company to allocate their resource which are advertising, marketing budget, marketing strategy. They can approach easily, such as advertising budget, because they want to create awareness about the product what you are offering. Of course the budget allocations can be easy. And sales effort, the sales force will be going for marketing, increase the sales. And project development, easily we can develop based on the area, based on the segment, market, whichever you selected. So obviously the more efficiently we can reach, because the complete resource which is very important to expect the result, means the resource can be properly utilized. And competitive advantages, obviously there is a competitions we can tackle because of segmentation. If you are not selecting a right segmentation, obviously we are losing the sales. Your competitors can take an advantages. That's what we need to go for segmentation basis. A well executed segment strategy, because you select for example in any city, Karnataka, okay, either you are going for launching the product for north side or south side, east or west. So no problem where exactly the consumers are showing interest to purchase your product, you need to identify. That's what we can, based on the segmentation, we can design our strategy so that I can reach very fastly and provide competitive advantages. Easily we can, because when we are competing with the North Indians, we need to study North Indians, who and all standing in the competition, they are giving a competition for my company. So obviously I can study. And the market expansion opportunity, once you capture for example north, south, east or west, okay, any direction we are going for studying. Once you capture the market share from the north, you can go for covering the market like south. Okay, so easily you can expand your markets. So you have to study for the segmentation where you are going. So the segmentation can reveal underserved or untapped market segment, providing an opportunity for growth. So easily we can plan based on the resource what we are using for expand our business. So I can easily capture the market. And the product development, because the product is completely the consumer expectation based only when we are trying to producing. So we will get more and more clarity, more and more idea, opinions. Okay, so information we can collect for developing a new product. So the segmentation can guide product development effort by identify the unmet need arising for improving within the specified segmentation. The based on the any product development which is a need, unmet need, means the customers are not satisfied. Once they are identified or they are expressing their need, whichever is not satisfied, obviously we can take an advantages to produce a product. So moving for next, basis for segmentation. While you are selecting a segmentation, okay, what basis you are selecting a segmentation? The first one, geographical segmentation. So here either we are talking related to the complete world or nation, okay, so whatever it may be. So for example, any producer offering a product for local requirements, so based on the local area, local competition, so we need to focus only for the local area which is based. Okay, so local competitors are offering or satisfying the requirement for local customers. customers. So like this area you need to select, or city wise you are launching a product or developing or offering a service, you need to study either city and semi urban or rural, which city you are offering a product, where customers are located, either metropolitan city offering a product, you are focusing only for metropolitan. Okay, and next region, which type of region you are selecting for the offering a product or service. Okay, and even the state wise, Karnataka state, Tamil Nadu state, there are different state wise company are operating a business. Okay, you have to select based on the geographical location. Again, you are serving for the nation, the complete state, which is including a state, region, local, city, everything. So nation wise you can go for offering a product. Again, what you are selecting based on the geographical area. Now moving to demographical segmentation, there are different demographical characteristic as a marketers they want to study. Now either you are offering a based on the income group, high level, middle level, low level, okay, or the company individual income, family income. So where exactly you are focusing based on the demographical factors like income. So income based you are selecting a criteria, or sex, male or female. So which type of product you are offering, whom you are offering, male, either female or children. And age factor, because there are different types of product are based on the age classification also we can focus. For example, 0 to 18 years or 19 to 40 years, okay, or 41 to 60 years. So there are different types of product we are offering for the different age group. And social class, okay, so you have to study the social class is very important here. And the education level, because if you take example the competitive books or test books or publishing, okay, journals, so which is related to education based, when you are offering a product, either you are offering a product based on, okay, education. Now psychography segmentation, social class, okay, and lifestyle, it's very important. Lifestyle you need to study as a marketer, and the personality characteristic also very influencing for, and attitude towards the product or service, accepted or rejected. Okay, and next one, and opinion you need to study as a marketers, you need to study the opinion based on the psychology factor, which is talking related to completely psychology, where the consumers are showing based on how they are reacting. Okay, and interest of the customers and consumers are very important. Next, behavioral segmentation, because each and every consumer behavior is something different. Either you are offering a product to individual or institute or any government related. So here when we are studying for behavioral segment, we are focusing for only based on the behavior. And when the consumer occasion for purchase, when the consumers are they are purchasing a product or getting service very occasionally, so that one we as a marketers want to study. And the benefit, what they are expecting a benefit from the product or service what you are offering. Okay, and the usage status, either frequently usage or very rarely or continuously, regularly. So the usage status is very important. And the degree of consumption, the degree, low degree, high degree. Okay, that means actually the time of consumption, you want to study the degree. And the brand loyalty, how many customers or consumers are giving very importance for loyalty, brand loyalty. Either they are purchasing a only branded product or unbranded product, local product. So brand loyalty is very important. Keep on watch for next section. Thank you.